Latest on transfer news sanibona bafethu uvane lo amathema amaningi athenga engabe yakhe i-team iyathenga na. So ngizoqala nje ngeindaba ebeyihamba phambili namhlanje bafethu isiweleleke namhlanje sivele savuka nje sathi azini angivele ngikhiphe sonke isquad ngisala nje nabadlali abafew. Namhlanje ke isiwelele bafethu i-announce another 10 more departures. Abajida ke badedela another 10 players. Remember izolo I did a video regarding yona isiwelele bafethu sidedela abadlali. Mukhumbula kahle sidedela abadlali abanje Happy Mashiyane, Kampani Lungu, Bohlele Ngwato, Neo Rapo, uMahlangu, Ulazo Lwamako, uGawugelo Sihota, uPogiso Sonago, uGape Moralo, uKenin Ayer noLyle Lucky. Angikwazi ukupronounce igama lawo mjida lawo Enoch. Kodwa ke badedelelwa ubadlali labo. Baqale ngo12, baphinde futhi beza ngo10. Abadlali abawu23 all in all. Abagcinanga ngalabo baphinde futhi bazodedela ugoalkeeper wabo kuba okuRicardo Goss. Ricardo Goss, imagine releasing abadlali abangaka. Kungenzeka ukuthi ke zikhona izinto ezenzakalayo behind the scenes abangasitsheli izona, kodwa ke ngeke udedele isquad sonke sabadlali ungasali nabadlali because kubalo ubuhle mkhwanazo uSamir Nikovic, Onyiko Mobi, oSamkelo Zwane, oMakudubela, oMokhele, Ohizu, oMandle Nkosi, oSehodiso. Baningi nje bafethu abadlali ababadedelile and lonto lo mina iyangixaka ngingengazi mhlambe ke kokhona ozongitshela ama-comments ingabe lento leseke sayibona vele yenzeka before. Even iChippa United ayifiki kulama levels lawo. Siyazi iChippa United ijwayele ukuthi ke idedele abadlali, but ke asijwayele ukuyibona iChippa United ifika kwilevel engaka. Siyazi ukuthi ke basasana kusayina 2 players from iOrlando Pirates okubani na okuRaseboja benosesane. Kodwa ke ilevel engaka ngempela iyathusa ngempela ukuthi ke kudedelwe abadlali bashaya irebuild yangempela kusona isiwelele. Ingabe ubani ke basazobasayina kuyona leli windi leli? Ingabe mhlambe ke bafuna ukudayisa status basidayisela ama team akhona onjengo Cape Town City nje kanje singesazi. Njoba nje ededeliwe uNyeko Mobi kulona uhlu labadlali lapha kuSiwelele FC. Isikhukhuno United ke simwelcome back njoba nje ese free agent bamsayina umjida as their new wing back. Kuyindaba ezinhleke lezi because vele sekwayidlalela vele before ini isikhukhuno United. So umjida sebemwelcome back as their new signing kuyona lesi season lezoqala. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile namhlanje kuthiwa ke uAshley Cupido umjida bafethu ulonwa iSteelers bamlona le eIsrael iclub ikabayibiza ngeKiryat Yam. Le club ke le bafethu iyadlala ngempela eIsrael and ngiyithanda lento yenziwe iSteelers. Abadlali abaningi babo bayabathatha babolone kumadlali kumazwe angaphandle. Lento sekubayenza vele before kumdlalo wabo. I think uFaze Abrams nase bemlona vele before bamisa le komazwe koIsrael kanje. So lento le iyababoost abadlali ukuthi ke bagain experience kuma clubs ale ko Europe babuye na experience baze kuyona le Betway Premiership bazoqhubeka badlale kuyona iBetway Premiership akhona ama team asengabasayina. So yena bafethu Ashley Cupido ngokwami ever since afika kwiSteelers akaze aregain iform yakhe. Siyamazi umjida wayedlala kanjani before ayele kuNFD eyodlala with Cape Town Spurs. Siyamazi wayedlala kanjani, but ke ever since wasayinwa yona iSteelers akaze abelwe so striker lesi sasiyitshela ukuthi ke sizo replace abani na, sizo replace uIkram Reyners lo dlalela iSundowns right now, because before uReyners eyele kuSundowns wayedlalela sona iSteelers. Yena kwakumele azoreplace ukuhamba kwaReyners, but ever since he was signed umjida he hasn't lived up to the expectations because he was linked with many big teams akhona kuBetway Premiership. Exhibit A Orlando Pirates linked nayo umjida. So let's hope le loan lezomnikeza iconfidence umjida abuyele umjida khona la eSouth Africa, because we need strikers kwibhola la eSouth Africa. Yabo he was that striker mina ngangibukela kusona ngibona ukuthi okay lo mjida lo njengoba nje sine striker eziningi mhlambe ke la eseyiguga yena uAshley Cupido striker esayintwana, istriker esangokwazi ke siqhubeke ilegacy yestriker ekhona la eSouth Africa, because azikho ningi istriker esinazo la. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile bafethu regarding amaloni iMamelodi Sundowns kubuya ngathi ke izolona umdlali wayo kubani na okusiyabonga mabhena imlona kule kuma-tax umjida ke bafethu he has been struggling with ama injuries for iMamelodi Sundowns. So le loan le izokwazi ke imnikeze igame time akwazi ukuthi ke adlale kahle umjida njengoba bemlona nje kuma-tax. Akakho kweyedwa abadlali abaningi beSundowns abadlala kwiDDC bajwayele ukulonwa vele kuwona ama-tax ukuthi ke bayothola igame time. Umjida ke njengoba nje ehlushwa ama injuries legendary nje. Ngikhumbula kahle kwakuthiwa uyena mdlali lo ongacompete with Mofokeng. He is the real president of ama-2K. Singesazi ngalapho but ke let's hope umjida uzokwazi ke adlale kahle kuyona inina ama-tax akwazi ke awasiza ama-tax because I like lento le yenziwa ama-tax isebenzisa kakhulu ama-youngsters and imixe with the experience yabo. So let's hope uzokwazi ke adlale khona kahle kuma-tax because lapha kuma-tax ubanina ucoach wayo ama-tax lo musho sathanda ku-appointa. He was working vele with Mamelodi Sundowns, so uya understanda i-most yabadlali abazodlalela yona right now. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile umdlali we-Orlando Pirates fullback i-Orlando Pirates edlalela i-DDC ubanina uSjava uJabulani Mokone bafethu umjida ke uzojoyina iclub iMilton Wanderers. Amshona ke le indaba lezi abaningi bayibonile but ke namhlanje ke umjida ubonakalile nje ejima nayo with iMilton Wanderers FC. So let's hope umjida uzokwazi ke aqhubeke adlale kahle athole igame time kuyona iMidland ayisize ke ifike ku-Betway Premiership. iMidland yadlala kakhulu last season but ke it's a pity ukuthi ke ayikwazanga ukuthi ke ithole promotion, but let's hope this time around they are going to fight ukuthi ke bafike kuyona iBetway Premiership. Maningi kakhulu ama team akhona ase KZN ale ko DDC kumele akhuphuke azafike kuBetway Premiership sikwazi ke sibe nama club amaningi. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile bafethu umdlali ubani na uSemi Dapro umjida uzojoyina ama-Tuks. Umjida ke una 28 years old. Umjida udlala as a CDM sekwadlalela eMagesi sekwadlalela amaZulu, so usolid kakhulu unayo experience yayo iBetway Premiership. Ilento lade ngikhuluma ngayo bafethu umjida njozo ezojoyina ama-Tuks bafethu inabadlali abancane and nabadlali abanjali abane-experience, so you need i-team ekanje khona uzokwazi ke ungene ku-Betway Premiership udlale kahle and ukhompete. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile bafethu Ismail Botenga uzojoyina iMamelodi Sundowns ayijoyine kule pre-season le. Njengoba nje iSundowns iya kwi-pre-season umjida he is contracted with iMamelodi Sundowns, umdlali weMamelodi Sundowns, so iloni yakhe iphelile njengoba nje ezoyijoyina nje iSundowns iloni yakhe iphelile. I think ubelona kwi-Golden Arrows if I'm not mistaken. You can tell me in the comments if I'm wrong, but I think the last time I saw him he was playing for Golden Arrows. It's a very very strange thing ukuthi ke iSundowns inabadlali abaningi abadlala ku-Betway Premiership abadlalela yona eloku ibalona nje from different clubs akhona ku-Betway Premiership, but ke hey, you never know. I've never seen this guy playing for iSundowns. I've never seen this guy wearing a Mamelodi Sundowns kit ehlele benchini, but ke he is contracted to iMamelodi Sundowns. Umjida right now he is training with iMamelodi Sundowns. Maybe he will get another loan being loaned yabo, maybe ke mhlambi iSundowns uzodecide ukumdayisa. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile bafethu ezinhle ke namhlanje iThembisile Hani local municipality isiriche i-agreement with iTS Galaxy ukuthi ke basebenzise iSolomon Mahlangu Stadium for their first 5 features. No, not first 5 features. Ukuthi basebenzise their stadium iSolomon Mahlangu for 5 of their fixtures ukuthi ke ama home games abo bawadlalele khona lapha iSolomon Mahlangu. Singesazi ukuthi ke imapi ama club ke abazowathatha bawayise khona. Siyawazi ke ama club amakhulu umedlala lapha iSolomon Mahlangu awadlali kahle. Basazoqhubeka bayisebenzisa imbombela kodwa ke amanye ama games awu5 bazowayisa le eSolomon Mahlangu. Singesazi we saw Mamelodi Sundowns playing last season ayidlalanga kahle ishawa yona iTS Galaxy. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile bafethu iHighbury announce abadlali ababili okuba nawo ku goalkeeper uMotivate mase kuba bane uLulama Mancenya umjida odlala